Unfortunately, having quality content isn't enough to succeed on YouTube. In this video, we'll look at how to improve your YouTube videos with 10 tips you absolutely need to implement on your channel. Viewers decide within just a few seconds whether they'll stick around for your video, and that's assuming they even clicked on it in the first place, which is already a challenge in itself. So we're going to cover several areas you can improve to attract and keep your viewers. Let's dive right in. Tip 1. Have flawless video quality. Make sure your videos look good visually. These days, it's not hard to get a great-looking image. Use your smartphone or a camera. If you need help choosing one, we've got a video on that right here. Also, make sure you're filming with the right settings, at least full HD. Don't forget to stabilize your camera to avoid shaky footage. Position it at eye level or slightly above, and adjust your exposure so the image isn't too bright or too dark. There's one more really important factor for improving your image quality that often gets overlooked. We'll get to that in a moment. Tip 2. Have clear, audible sound. You know the saying, sound is 50% of a video. Don't neglect it. You could have the best content and the best image quality, but if your audio is garbage, nobody's going to watch. Invest in a good microphone and record in a quiet environment. We have a dedicated video to help you choose the right mic for any budget. In the meantime, you can use Adobe Podcast to clean up your audio. I'll put the tutorial link in the description. Tip 3. Have great lighting. This one's often overlooked by beginners. To really elevate your videos, you need proper lighting. Good lighting can make the difference between an amateur video and a professional one. Experiment with different light sources and angles to find what works best. You'll see that even with an entry-level or mid-range camera, or even your phone, good lighting will dramatically improve your visual quality. The more light you feed your camera, the easier it is for it to produce a quality image. We have a full lighting tutorial available right here. Tip 4. Create dynamic edits. A good edit will keep your viewers glued to the screen and help boost your average watch time. Learn to use video editing software, and don't hesitate to add effects, transitions, and text to make your content more engaging. We're hosting a free online workshop to share our best editing tips. Click here to sign up and get all the details on the next session. Tip 5. Work on your scripts. You need to stand out from your competition. There's no point in making the same video as everyone else. Your videos should reflect you. You need to hold your audience's attention, structure your video logically, and add visual or audio elements to reinforce your message. Don't hesitate to use AI to help you. For example, ChatGPT helped me write this very video. I gave it the idea, it gave me the core content, and then I reworked it with my own knowledge and added the strategy video touch. We'll cover the most important and most neglected factor in just a moment, but first. Tip 6. Think about your format and video length. Tailor your content to your target audience and YouTube trends. Vary your video lengths to meet your viewers' expectations. Don't talk just to fill time. If your tutorial is 15 minutes long, but you could have said the same thing in 8 minutes, that's a problem. People want information fast on the internet. On the flip side, if you genuinely need 30 minutes to explain something properly, that's fine. Take the time. The key is making sure your viewer doesn't feel like they're wasting their time with unnecessary rambling. Tip 7. Work on your thumbnails and titles. This is probably the most important thing outside of the content itself. Use relevant images and keywords to grab attention and get people to click. This is arguably the hardest part. Convincing someone to click on your video in half a second. That viewer is going to decide in a split second whether to watch a video you probably spent hours making. So don't ruin it with a bad title and thumbnail. It can be tempting to rush these two things just to get your video out after all that work, but that's the worst mistake you can make. Your thumbnail and title are your video's storefront, its packaging. They absolutely need to be enticing, like a beautiful box of cookies on a supermarket shelf. Tip 8. Master your SEO. This is one of the biggest challenges for new YouTubers. Use relevant keywords in your title and description so your video shows up in YouTube search results, and Google's too. Say those keywords out loud in your videos. YouTube analyzes everything in your content. Every word you say can matter to the algorithm. Focus on high-potential keywords. You can use tools like TubeBuddy to find keywords in your niche. We also have a video on this topic to help you find good keywords. When a user types those keywords into the search bar, you'll have every chance of your video being suggested. Combine that with tip 7, and you've got the perfect recipe for a successful video. Tip 9, promote your videos. Once you've finished your video and uploaded it, don't think the work is done. It's time to promote it. Share your videos on social media, forums, and blogs to boost your visibility. Collaborate with other creators and participate in online events to attract new subscribers. Don't hesitate to join Facebook groups related to your topic. You'll have direct access to your target audience on a silver platter. Just be careful. Many Facebook groups don't allow self-promotion, so check before posting. You can also create short-form versions of your videos for TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts. Even a simple clip works. You'll see that as you keep showing up in your potential audience's feed, they'll eventually check out your long-form content. Tip 10. Engage with your viewers. Before I get into this, feel free to add your own tips in the comments so we can all help each other out. Speaking of the comment section, that's what this last point is about. Reply to comments on your videos, ask questions in your community tab, and encourage discussions to build a community around your channel. This will help you understand your audience better and meet their expectations. If you have access to the community tab, use it as much as possible. At first, honestly, you might feel a bit alone. Not many people will respond. But as your channel grows, the messages will start coming in. Polls are the easiest to set up. They create engagement and require minimal effort from viewers. Just one click, no typing needed. Don't hesitate to post things that spark curiosity or stir up debate around your topic. You'll see discussions start happening on their own. If you don't have access to the community tab yet, I've got a video on that. I'll link it in the description. Reminder, we're hosting a completely free online workshop on how to make your videos more dynamic through editing. You'll also learn some tricks to cut down your editing time. Sign up right here. Give this video a thumbs up if you learned something, drop a comment, it's always appreciated, and subscribe with notifications on if you haven't already. See you next time for more tips. Ciao.